Hey guys, welcome to Creative Woodworks, my vlog, and we're going to be talking about all things woodworking. Today I just want to get into it and give you guys a shop tour and talk about what I got going on today, some of the projects I have sitting around the shop here. I also want to talk about some videos I want to plan on doing for the future and some improvements I want to make. So let's go ahead and get that started and I'll give you guys the tour.
Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Creative Woodworks. Right now, currently housed in my my dad's shed. He generously lets me use this space for all my woodworking needs. First things first, we got my work table here is where I do most of my assembly. We've got my chop saw here, rip most of my boards down. I use that a lot. Get this box in the back right now just to catch some of the dust. I don't have a dust collector quite yet. I'm hoping to get some piping done and put the below and have my dust collector over here and against the wall or somewhere over here eventually. Planning on doing some kind of dust collection video coming up. We also have my table saw, which needs a replacement. It's a little dated, but for right now it works for what I got, and use it a lot too. I got some plywood supplies over here and some wood here. Here's one of the current projects I'm working on. It's a kitchen bench kind of. It goes around in the corner of the kitchen, the table, and they wanted some extra storage here. So we got this with some drawers that slide in, and they can sit there on the edge. I got to paint it obviously. I'm going to add some dividers in here too so they can space stuff out there. And then also right here I have my X-Card. It's kind of an open source CNC, so they post stuff online. I can make modifications. I kind of made this dust chute right here. This kind of folds down the plastic here, comes down and kind of keeps some of that dust contained. But as you can see, this thing is a dust creating machine. But it works real well. You know, I got my computer set up here with a dust cover. Obviously, I can't keep it somewhat clean there, but I can do all my designing on there. And this thing goes and cuts out. It's like having an extra hand in the shop. It works really, really well. This is, well, it's a mess right now, but it's actually my router table. My router's on the floor, and it sits it in upside down in this hole here, and I can run all my stock across here. There's my workbench. I've got my drill station, my chargers, my drills. Obviously I'm using them right now, so they're kind of all over the shop here. Here's some of my stock stuff I use for shows. I got some clocks and some random crosses in here. This is actually a 4-foot love lit letters. I make these pallet letters and I've made a ton of them. As you can see, kind of see in there, they got lights and they look awesome. Literally, we got the wood furnace over here. Couldn't survive without that. We got most of my saws under there. And we got a lot of storage in here. Obviously, a lot of sawdust. I really got to get that dust collection together. Here's my planer and my sander and some of that there. But I really got to get my dust collection together.
Alright, and that is my workshop right there. Got a lot of things planned on the schedule. I've got to make some more haul trees. Right now, as you can see, there's a deer stand right here my dad's working on. It was in a little bit of disarray after last deer season, so he's been working on that a lot, and he's taking up half the shop here, but it is his space, so got to work with him currently, which is not too bad. It's nice to have some company in the shop. I also have a haul tree here. It's been working on. It's pretty much done. The build is complete. There it is. Got some cubbies down here and up top. There's a shelf up there. I've made so many of these. Everything I do is custom order, so it's nice to have somewhere people can go, and if they have a space, you can go to the store and buy a decent, obviously a good haul tree or whatever you need, but to have something that fits your space. Everybody's house is different. They got a little bit bigger space or smaller space than I do at all. So I've sold a ton of those, and people seem very happy with those. I actually got another one coming up here soon. I actually made one, was it a couple weeks ago? It was made out of a 100-year-old door. I had cut down and repurposed, and it one of my favorite projects. If you go to my Instagram channel and stuff, I'll post some links at the end of this video. You guys can go there and see some of the stuff I've posted in the past, or my Facebook page is where I take 98% of my orders. I'll post that where as well. You can kind of see some of the stuff I've been doing in the future. So stay tuned. I've got lots of great projects to do coming up, and I will do some DIY. If you guys have something that particular you want to see me do or teach you guys how to do, stay tuned. So we're going to have a lot of fun here. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe after this video to keep tabs on me and what I'm doing in the shop, and hopefully you learn something and we'll have some fun doing some woodworking. Bye.